Welcome to 9620 Windchime Drive. Just a couple blocks to the beach here. Coming in, we have a wide two-bay parking area under the home. This neighborhood is wonderful. There's a pool right down the road. Walking distance to the beach. Can't beat it. We have a storage area. Nice picnic dining, grill out, and look at this shower. Beautiful shower with the division for your clothes so they don't get wet while you're showering. Nice hooks to hang your clothes from, bench to sit on. Very nice shower for when you come off the beach. You're not bringing that sand into your home. Coming up the stairs, we have a gorgeous deck, partially covered. So if you prefer to be in the shade, you've got that option. And then if you prefer, you can sit in the sun. So we have areas to sit in the sun, or a very nice covered area. Beautiful light fixture. Oh, and I can feel that nice breeze blowing in. This is just a lovely home. Wait till you see the inside. Love this stained glass look in the door. Opening into a gorgeous home with this den. Again, beautiful ceiling fans, modern lighting throughout. We've got the LVT flooring, a double slider opening out onto that gorgeous porch I just showed you. Coming over into the kitchen. Lots of lighting, again, coming from above. And the windows, you see the 2-inch vinyl blinds, vinyl windows, and I am absolutely in love with this granite. Just gorgeous. Lots of cabinetry, nicely labeled. This can be a short-term rental, a long-term, or your home in paradise. Whatever you prefer. We do have the stainless appliances all the way through. A nice farm-style sink, pull-down nozzle. The backsplash is just beautiful, well-equipped. And we come from the kitchen. Right around the corner we have the laundry. And this does sport a side-by-side laundry with shelving above. Very nicely done with the bifold doors. So when you shut those, you don't see the laundry anymore. Coming into our first bedroom, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Again, the modern light. Beautiful flooring. Double opening into the closet. With shelving. And then we come over to the other side of the room where we have a very nice bath. Again, the flooring goes all the way into the bathroom. Quiet fan. Very nice enclosure with the high-end doors. Step in. Very nice shower nozzle. Behind the door we have an owner's linen closet area. And then of course lighting coming in from the window if you desire. This home is so well done. Oh my goodness, it is just drop dead gorgeous, ready for you to come in, make it yours, and either live here, vacation here, or rent it when you're not here. Coming back out into the great room and dining area, we'll take a left and go into the second bedroom. Second bedroom again sports the high-end lighting. One more time. The fan, which of course is, one more time, just a beautiful fan. This room has the double beds for a children's room or teenagers. Plenty of room though. In the closet again with the double opening and the shelves. Coming through we have a Jack and Jill bath. The lighting coming in again. And once again, the high-end shower tub enclosure this time with the bigger nozzle. Very nice and clean. This house has been so well maintained. You will love it. And our third bedroom. Once again, we have the double opening into the closet. We go back out into the great room, or we can go through these glass sliding doors out onto the deck. Walk down that road. Just around the corner is the pool area, which is beautiful. If I look out this window, I can see the building right there on the beach. It's just steps away. You will absolutely love this house. You must come see it for yourself and see what an elegant home we have. Look at the vaulted ceilings, giving us a very spacious feel. Room for couches, chairs, tables. This home is just ready to go. Come make this your oasis in this paradise today, and we'll see you with toes in the sand.